Welcome to this very short presentation about finding research topics in water resources. So today I have uh, found out a very interesting research topic where various systems are being developed to extract water from air. The basic working principle is very simple. The air is forced into a condenser-like system by utilizing turbines or pumps, and it is forced to flow through a condenser, and due to the sudden drop of temperature in the condenser, the water droplets are formed, which are then channelized into a water purification system to produce the drinking water. Problem with these systems are they are still very expensive. Their performance efficiency is not up to the mark. They need energy, a lot of it, and also there are various installation requirements like where to fix. There will be no obstruction. You can fix it in the balcony, you can fix it in the roof, but you must have unobstructed flow of air, and the air must have humidity, at least some amount of it, otherwise there will be no water. If there is no water in your air, these systems are useless. And these four are main obstacles that is preventing these systems from being widely utilized or commercialized. But still, as is the case, there are some pioneering uh, industries who are developing these systems and selling them to not only B2B but also to B2C. So let us see those, let us explain those systems. Nomads in nearly 100 to 150 years ago or more beyond that, nomads in Africa, in Egypt, in Central Asia, what they do is they used to use the skin of camel to uh, deposit fog on the skins. Camel skin has a special ability to capture the fog or capture the water content in the air when the air is passing through it. So what they do is they fix those camel skin. They hang the camel skin in open air in the night, and for the entire night it collects fogs. And in the morning they can collect the water which is collected from the fog. So there is some pipes attached with or some ribbon-like system which is attached to the camel skin, which channelizes the water into a cherry cane or something which can contain water. So it is not very new concept where water is extracted from here. The thing is we are using some advanced technology to extract the water now such that within a very short span of time we can get water from here. So the first example is Aero Water Dew Point Smart. What it does is it attracts or it forces the air into its condenser system, and due to the sudden drop of temperature, all the water in the air converted to water droplets, and it is channelized through a purification system for producing drinking water. It can produce 20 liters of water per day, but it needs relative humidity, but it can work in low humidity level also. So, and also it has a system, it can also purify the normal drinking water. So it is not that it will only use the water from here, but it can also purify the normal drinking water. Next example is ACPO AWG, atmospheric water generators, produced by ACPO Industries, AKVO. Now it just follows the natural process of condensation by simulating the dew point. That means it uh, flows the air into a very cold chamber of condenser, and as a result dew point get stimulated and water forms, water droplets form, and those water are purified and produced as drinking water. This system can also work in low humidity conditions. Third example is water gen. In water gen's products, it can produce 5 liters of water, fresh drinking water, by using 1 kilowatt hour of energy. That means for within 1 hour it can produce 5 liter of water, but it requires humidity, but it can work in low humidity, around 20% humidity it can work. This is water gen system. As you can see, this is the system. You take water from here. Air is forced inside it through this area, this ventilating area. Next is our water maker. So it is installed in Andhra Pradesh, in South India, various places it has been installed. It was first installed in the year of 2009. It developed a air water station in the Chalimuri village of rural Andhra Pradesh. And then it may have developed here the same AWS air water station in Gujarat, and so on. The system is same. You attract the air through a pump into a condenser and then produces water, and they are stored here in this tank. Air is attracted here through a pump and it is condensed and then it is channelized into here in these tanks. Next is what we have pump based system we have discussed. Now let us take turbine based system. Yeah, turbine based system is here. This is the wind turbine. So what happens is example is Rainmaker. There are very few examples, very rare system, but this is one of the best. Rainmaker air to water application. It can harvest water by combining the atmospheric humidity, heat, airflow. And the catch is it can produce 5,000 to 20,000 liters per unit per day. So it's a huge. What happens is it uses a turbine. This wind turbine, this is actually a wind turbine, and the system is fixed here. Now this turbine is rotated. As a result, due to the difference in pressure, air gets attracted into the central point, and there the condensers are fitted already. So it comes inside the condenser, produce the water droplets and released from that part. And the water droplets is channelized through these channels, through these black channels, and stored in the base. So these are actually the very innovative system developed by Rainmaker. And this type of system can produce the maximum amount of water from air per day. Okay. So we have some system which can produce 20 liters of water per day. We have some system which can produce 5 liters of water per hour. We can produce some system, or we have discussed some system which can produce 5,000 to 20,000 liters per unit per day. I have already said about the weaknesses. It has a low production rate. It is still expensive, high energy requirement, and installation complexities. So if we can work on these lacunas, these weaknesses, then some very efficient system can be developed, and the problem due to scarcity of water can be somehow minimized. Thank you, folks, for your patience here.